Amazon just revealed 2 AI robots that could completely change how your packages move from warehouse to doorstep. They're called Blue Jay and Project Eluna, and they're faster, smarter, and more independent than any robots Amazon has ever built. Stick around till the end. I'll show you how these machines might reshape the future of work. 10 years ago, Amazon's warehouses looked like organized chaos. Thousands of people, conveyor belts, and an army of small orange robots zipping around. Those early bots, like Kiva, were groundbreaking for their time, but they were still dumb. They followed preset paths, needed human oversight, and couldn't adapt when something unexpected happened. Fast forward to today. Amazon's automation game has evolved into something entirely new. The company now operates over 750,000 robots, but Blue Jay and Eluna mark a major leap forward. We're not talking about machines that just follow orders. We're talking about machines that understand context, predict problems, and make decisions. This is no longer about speeding up deliveries. It's about creating a self-sustaining, intelligent warehouse ecosystem. Amazon calls it agentic AI, a system capable of autonomy, coordination, and self-correction. Blue Jay might look like a robotic arm, but it's more like a mechanical athlete with a brain. It uses a network of cameras and sensors to scan the environment 60 times a second. Its AI models analyze every item, size, weight, texture, and instantly choose the perfect way to lift or move it. If it fails, it learns. If the lighting changes, it adjusts. Every motion is logged, studied, and improved for the next task. This means Blue Jay doesn't just repeat motions, it evolves. It's trained on millions of real-world data points, allowing it to adapt faster than any human worker. Unlike traditional industrial robots that require constant reprogramming, Blue Jay's deep learning model updates itself automatically. Now imagine hundreds of Blue Jays working side by side, each communicating through Eluna's network. It's like watching a synchronized dance, fast, silent, and shockingly efficient. And here's the wild part. Blue Jay can handle items humans used to struggle with. Soft packages, slippery containers, even oddly shaped boxes. In early trials, it outperformed veteran warehouse teams by 25% in speed and reduced packaging damage by half. If Blue Jay is the muscle, Project Eluna is the nervous system. It's not a physical robot. It's pure intelligence running across Amazon's vast network of sensors, cameras, and robots. Eluna collects millions of data points per minute from every machine and worker in the warehouse. It predicts where bottlenecks will happen, reallocates tasks in real time, and can even pause one section to balance another. Think of Eluna like a digital manager that never sleeps. It doesn't get tired, stressed, or distracted. It watches everything all at once and makes thousands of micro decisions every second. Where a human manager might need an hour to spot a pattern, Eluna does it instantly. And it's getting smarter every day. Machine learning allows it to improve continuously, not just for one warehouse, but across Amazon's entire global supply chain. When one facility finds a more efficient way to operate, that knowledge spreads instantly to every other facility connected to Eluna. This is collective intelligence, the beginnings of what some experts call networked AI ecosystems. Here's where things get complicated. Amazon insists these robots are augmenting human workers, not replacing them. But let's be real, automation always comes with trade-offs. A single Blue Jay can do the work of several people, and Eluna doesn't need breaks, healthcare, or vacation days. So what happens to the hundreds of thousands of warehouse employees? Some will move into technical roles, maintaining robots, training AI systems, and managing logistics. But others might not transition so easily. Economists predict that as systems like Eluna expand, nearly 40% of routine warehouse jobs could vanish within the next decade. Yet there's hope. AI creates new kinds of work, roles in programming, oversight, and ethics. Humans will still be essential for creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the things robots can't yet master. So yes, the job landscape will change, but it's not all doom and gloom. Blue Jay and Eluna aren't just an Amazon story. They're the face of a new movement in technology called physical AI. Until recently, AI lived in screens and servers. Now it's stepping into the physical world. These machines don't just compute, they act. They see their surroundings, make choices, and move with purpose. We're already seeing physical AI in hospitals, where robots assist surgeons with microscopic precision. In construction, AI systems are building structures brick by brick. And in everyday life, autonomous cars and drones are learning to navigate our streets and skies. Amazon's innovation is just one piece of a much larger puzzle, a world where intelligent machines share our spaces, collaborate with us, and sometimes compete with us. The question isn't if this will reshape society, it's how fast. Why should you care? Because this shift won't stop at warehouses. The same tech that powers Blue Jay and Eluna could soon run hospitals, manage farms, and even control city infrastructure. That means jobs, education, and industries must adapt quickly. If you're a tech enthusiast, this is your wake-up call. Learning AI tools, robotics, or automation systems could be your ticket into the future economy. While many jobs will disappear, new, higher-skilled roles will open up, but only for those ready to evolve. It's a moment of massive opportunity and massive disruption. Amazon's robots are powerful, but they raise big questions. Are we ready for AI to take charge of the workplace? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Atlas 2.0. This is Artificial Adamina, where imagination meets intelligence.